So yun mga kasawat, welcome back to our channel. Tayo ngayon ay nandito sa Tagaytay, the heart of Tagaytay, which is in the Nature Bliss Resort dito sa Tagaytay. And I'm just so excited because we're going to try selected food. So I have here the cheese sticks. I have here also the chicken. At the same time, the jablo pasta and the grilled cheese and the Christmas drinks. So I'm just so excited for that. And for that mga kasawat, umpisahan natin sa kanilang cheese stick with pomodoro sauce. This cheese stick guys is worth 105 pesos only. Oh, mainit pa. Alam mo yung cheese nila, nagpapadagdag lalo yung flavor ng kanilang pomodoro sauce. The cheese ay talagang literal na cheese na hindi lang isang stick lang but sobrang laki and best to eat when it's hot. Again, mas masarap talaga siya kainin pag mainit. Hindi siya pwedeng palipasan ng oras because talagang titigas siya. But this one, sinerve nilang mainit and I'm so impressed. I like their pomodoro cheese, their sauce. Tamang-tama lang yung asin niya. Perfect. Walang hangin. Perfect. Next guys, we're going to try their grilled cheese. Meron ako nakikita doon ng grilled cheese na 4. And this one is cost 135. With fries na siya ha. Hindi maalat. Hindi maasim. At ang creamy. Creamy talaga siya oh. Nag-melt siya oh. Hindi siya ganun ka-oily in fairness. Good. And for that mga kasawat, let's try naman their jablo pasta. And this jablo pasta is worth 195. So, which is so 195, may bread na kasama, toasted bread. Diba? Sobrang sulit na siya. And for that, let's try this. Sabi ko sa gaganon, baka mabash na naman tayo, hindi tayo marunong kumain ng pasta. Cheese. In fairness guys, there's a sort of spiciness na malalasahan nyo, but very ano lang naman siya, very light lang naman yung kanilang pagkaanghang. So that's their pasta, and I must say hindi kayo tinipid sa ingredients. The toppings, the sauce, and then it has already the bread here. At the same time, sulit, 195 lang yun ha. But the quality mas higher. And the last one, natitikman natin na food will be their chicken. Whole chicken, and this whole chicken is worth 465. They also have a half chicken kung gusto naman, that's worth 245. So, tikman natin with the sauce nila na mushroom sauce. Like the Thai parts. Ooh! Kakamayin ko na ha. In fairness sa mushroom sauce, ang sarap. Ano ba ng coat? Ang crispy. Narinig na yan? Maliban sa ingay. Pakaganda dito kaya guys. Ito medyo nahangina na siya within 5 to 10 minutes. But the crunchiness of the chicken ay nandun pa rin siya. Ang crispy ang lutong niya. In terms of the taste naman, I must say with their mushroom sauce na sobrang tama lang yung alat. Not totally talaga na sobrang hindi mo na mararamdaman yung chicken because of the sauce. Chicken and the sauce nagko-complements each other kaya nag-create sila ng another flavor which is sobrang awesome talaga. Sarap. Diba? So ayun mga kasawat, tikman naman yung kanilang drinks dito. They have this special drinks na available. This is a Christmas drinks nila. We have the strawberry Christmas Chocomint. And the last one we have the white Java chip. So for that mga kasawat, let's try their Fanta strawberry frap. This is all we've been waiting for, the frap. Sarap niya. Just so happy with their drink. Wala ka lang sa choco pa.
Ang lamig-lamig.
Coffee base ba siya? I think this is coffee base kasi yung nalasahan ko, coffee na medyo may pagka yung mint niya nalalasahan ko. At the same time, yung unang sip-sip mo talaga, malalasahan mo sa kanya na it's coffee base.
Hindi sokso.
Ang sarap niya. Coffee base. Yeah. So anyway, kasama, we're done with the food and the drinks na tinikman natin sa araw na to. Again, in terms of the food, guys, and the ambience. I must say, the ambience, very peaceful. Ang simple, yung gusto mo na peace and quiet and the refreshing air, you can just feel here at the Nature Bliss Resort. If you like this video, please don't forget to follow us, like us, and share this video. Comment also. So once again, mga kasama, thank you so much and see you again on our next food tour.